Hello guys. Um, Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to, and we're gonna be continuing on. Sorry about the chair squeaks. We're gonna be continuing on with our little game here. Just going to be making some updates. It's a scratch game, pretty cool. So I started here with just some sprites for level designs. As I'm pretty sure I said in the last uh, episode, yeah, that mm, I was gonna do levels with progressively more difficult enemies. I also wanted to add upgrades, so yeah, I think I should do the upgrades first. So I'll just move that over there. Uh, I want to have a collapsible menu. So actually, I think Frank here. Oh yeah, and for those who don't know, this guy right here is called Frank in these sprites, as you can see. I think he's a bit big. I want to set his size to like just a little bit smaller than what he is. What, like 80? Okay, I'm gonna do 80%. Um. All right, and next, I'm probably going. I'll have to change that right here as well. 80%. So every time we click him. Yep, I think that's a little bit better. He is a little bit small, but that just gives us more space for the UI or the HUD. I'm not that smart when it comes to the language, so sorry if I'm, saying the absolute wrong thing. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to just add a little arrow. I'm going to make an arrow. So, I'm going to make this a 10. Oopsie, sorry. Just need to fix that, and... Oh, god damn it. That just seems like it's screwing with me now. As straight as I can possibly make it. There we go, that looks good. And one off to the side there. And one off to the side there. Looks a little bit funky, but I'm fine with it, because it looks good. I like it. Now we just have to add a little bit of a backdrop to it, so we're going to turn this down there, and then change this one. There we go. Now we just, no outline. And then we need to move it back. There, that looks good. Actually, I'd sort of like to, no. I want to make the entire thing just a little bit smaller, so, and place it there. Just a bit smaller. A little bit too small. There we go. That seems pretty darn good. I am happy with that. Lock that in place and put it right down there in the corner. So what I'm going to do now is go to events and go when this sprite clicked, and then go into set when the sprite clicked. First I'd want it to, no, I wanted to, yeah. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I wanted to glide upwards about here so that a UI can pop up down here, or a HUD, or I'm just going to call it HUD, heads up display. Yeah, so a HUD that just shows all of the upgrades, and then it can slide back down. But at the moment, I actually want it to be facing the other way, so can I just... Oh. I'm just going to make it face the other way for a bit, because that way when you click it, it goes up, and then I want it to spin around, so I'll copy this, make a new costume, paste, and just point it down. I also want to go to glide 1 second to there, 1 second to there, and then we're going to go, when this is clicked, I want it to go straight down to here. Go to here. Then I want to switch to costume 1, which is this one right here, the up pointing arrow, and then I want after it glides, so we got this. But now nothing happens, so I need to fix that by going to if else. So I'm going to make a variable and call it HUD. Okay. And that's variable, so I'm going to go if HUD. There we go. If HUD is equivalent to 1, then do this. But if not, then I want to glide down to here. So I'm going to then go glide 1 second to there and switch to costume 1. And then just to make, then we have to go set HUD to a 0. No, set it to 1. Yeah. So then when this is clicked, no, if HUD equals 1, sorry, I'm just like thinking here. So if HUD equals 1, then this does. So that means HUD. So then clicking this, if I just, actually I want it to be a lot less. So let me just change that to 0.5. And if else, so after this, you have to set HUD to a 0, and then this to 1. That should work. Oh, so also when that's not the right spot, I'll fix that up just in a second. So I put that there. Oh, and not coins, but HUD. Let's fix this. So when this is oh, it's not gliding any. That's why. Jeez. Sorry for the silence. I just had a second of wondering why it wasn't working. So I just got to do that. That should work. Let's do that instead. Why? No, I don't want it to move there. I want it to move... Get that out of there. 210. Update. There. Yeah, okay. Yep, I just want that to take 0.5 seconds. So you don't get to see how jank it is. Then when this is up, so... When this is up, I want it to... Oh no. I've gone well over the